So this year I will be doing something that I really wanted to do for a long time now. I will be staying in Bali for a whole freaking month. So let me tell you why and how. Why did I choose to come to Bali and stay here for a freaking month? And how do I manage to do that? Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Bali. Oh my god, I literally cannot believe it. It is real. I'm in Bali. Hello. I don't know if anyone will even ask me why Bali. I think Bali is, you know, out there on social media. We all know about Bali. We all know that Bali is great. But what will probably be more interesting is how. So basically, long story short, I work in influencer marketing, not as an influencer. I work for a company that does influencer marketing. Just like every time I leave Paris, I forget how beautiful Paris is. Every time I leave Southeast Asia, I forget how freaking hot Southeast Asia is. And hot is one thing, it's just so humid. I mean, let's be honest, it is not very pleasant, not very pleasant. Most of the time I work from an office, but I am also able to work remotely. So I figured that if I can work remotely, I can as well work remotely from Bali. So basically for half of this trip, I will be working as I usually do, and the other half I have a couple of days off and I will be traveling. I just don't even believe it's real. Like, I've been thinking about it for so long. I've been planning this for so long and now I'm here. It just feels so surreal. We made it to the beach. I'm staying around 800 meters from the beach, which is very exciting because I can come to the beach every single day. To be honest, my whole aim with coming here for a month was that I always really wanted to live in Bali. And I know a month is not living, obviously, but that's what I can do. And that's way better than nothing. Basically, the plan for right now is to eat. I just ordered nasi goreng. First meal in Indonesia, an actual Indonesian meal. So basically it is fried rice with egg, and then I order it with some seafood. And then I'm gonna try to figure out if I can get a gym membership. So basically there is this really cool gym here in Canggu called the Body Factory, and I've read online that they do have like a 2 weeks long membership, and I'm staying in Canggu for 2 weeks. Yeah, I'm gonna figure out if I can do that. I would really like to do that because it is a cool gym. I would like to work out here. Working out at the beach or like running is definitely not happening for me here. It's not a really running friendly beach, but to be honest, no beach is running friendly for me because it is difficult to run at the beach. And then the work day begins for me. Basically, I'm still working on like Warsaw time, so my work days here will start at 3 p.m. and end at like what, 11 or something, which is of course not ideal, but you know what is less ideal? Not coming to Bali. Found it. Oh my god, it already looks good. Hi. I am so excited. I am an official owner of a gym membership here in Bali for the next 2 weeks. Yeah, I'm just really excited. It is like a little bit on the pricey side, I guess, but I didn't spend much on the place where I'm staying. Where I'm staying was pretty affordable. That's why I kind of allowed myself to have this little luxury. I'm so excited to work out. I already signed up for like a 7 a.m. yoga class tomorrow, and yeah, that might be not like the greatest idea, but you know. I am going to 7 a.m. sunrise yoga. Okay, I'm not sure if it's called sunrise yoga, but at least a 7 a.m. yoga class. And let me remind you that to go to a 7 a.m. yoga class, you have to wake up even before 7 a.m. I honestly do not remember why I thought yesterday that signing up for a 7 a.m. yoga class was a good idea for me. But I did. To be honest, I think that I just thought that if there's one place on earth where I should do a freaking yoga class at 7 a.m. it's Bali. And this is where yoga is gonna happen. I mean, just look at this. And this is apparently the coldest pool in Bali. Done with the 7 a.m. yoga class. I must say I am feeling much better now than I felt before. My original plan was to stay at the gym and just like chill by the pool, but since I was smart enough to forget my swimsuit, I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna go and find some food first and then like pick up my swimsuit and then come back probably. Money. I've ordered some coffee and an tuna sandwich. Gonna enjoy my food and then probably head to the beach. Oh my god, just look at this. That looks so good. I love Bali. I'm done with the breakfast. It was so good. I very highly recommend this place. And the people were so nice, but I feel like that's like a Bali thing. People are just really nice here. I know that for some people, oh my god, someone just like literally did a flip on a surfboard. Like he jumped, or she, and like turned around in the air. I came to Bali for the first time in 2017, about 3 years ago, and I basically fell in love with the island, as many other people do. I thought Bali was freaking amazing, awesome, and I wanted to live here. I even made this video where I'm saying that I added a new life goal to my list, move to Bali. I fell in love with Bali, and I added a new life goal to my list, move to Bali, at least for a little bit. And then I added like, at least for a little bit, and good that I added this part, because obviously a month is not moving, but at least for a little bit, right? There's just something about this like beach, island, exotic lifestyle that really appeals to me, and it's just really something that I would like to try. I loved living in Bangkok, which is obviously not the same because Bangkok is a huge city, but I loved in general living in Southeast Asia. I love living in the heat. So yeah, just living in Bali is something that I really want to try doing in my life, and I hope I will get a chance. I'll probably get a chance. I will find a way to get a chance to do it. But for now, what we have is a freaking month in Bali. Many more Bali vlogs coming. A whole month of vlogging in front of me. As I said, I'm gonna be staying here in Canggu for 2 weeks, then Ubud for 1 week, and then I will be traveling to Gili Islands and then Uluwatu at the end. So subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed this video and you want to see my other Bali videos. And thank you so much for watching, and I see you soon.